Hello learners, today you'll learn how to deep fry potatoes using the deep frying cooking method. What you'll need: potatoes, salt, cooking oil, a deep frying pan, slotted spoon, knife, paper towel, source of heat, a strainer, and a bowl. Follow the following procedure to deep fry potato chips. Wash the potatoes to remove dirt and soil. Peel the potatoes and cut them into pieces. Wash the potato pieces and use a strainer to drain excess water. Add cooking oil into a deep frying pan and place it on fire. Heat the oil. Use a slotted spoon to lower the potato pieces gently into the hot oil. Fry the potatoes, gently turning them until they are crispy and golden brown in color. When they are ready, serve the potato chips.